Hey everyone, it's ChrissyWoods. So today I'm just going to show you a really quick, I guess you could say like updated brow routine. I have been doing some things slightly different with my brows, and I just want to kind of show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So the products that I have been using are pretty much the same. I've been using my pencils from Self Love Cosmetics. Y'all know I love these pencils. And then I've also incorporated a new product, and this is the Bravo Conditioning Primer by Benefit. And then last but not least, but I have been using the Estee Lauder Brow Now Stay in Place Gel, and I was sent this as a sample to try, and I'm definitely going to repurchase it because I do love it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I have been doing my brows as of late, and tell me what you guys think. Do you see a difference, and do you like it? So if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you've used any of these products, tell me, you know, what have been your experiences with the products? Did you like the products? Did you have really good results? Just leave a comment down below. But go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's keep on. Okay, so now first I'm going to go in with the Bravo Conditioning Primer. So I purchased this product because initially I wanted something that was going to help me to grow my brows, because as you can see, naturally I just have really fine brows. That's not from tweezing or plucking or anything like that. It's just really hereditary, just never really having much brow. So this product is said to assist you with making thicker brows, as well as giving the appearance of thicker brows, but it's also a conditioner to really help your brows to actually fill in and grow. So I've been using it for about maybe 2 weeks now, and the instructions say to take the top off and twist it up once, but I want you guys to see what the wand or the applicator looks like. It has these nice little grooves in it. So it does have like similar to it's almost like a brush, but it's rubber. So I've already got it twisted up to 1, and I'm just gonna take it and rub it in. And I try to use this as like a wand brush. Let me come in closer. Okay, so hopefully you can see this better. So I try to use it like a wand brush and literally brush the hairs up. And you can see they're very fine, but they do brush up pretty well. I'm just adding some more product there. And I just like them all to go up, just so I can get a better shape. And it does, you can tell it's not hard or tacky, or well, it's slightly tacky, and I could just tell that it's definitely holding those brows in place. And that's what I like about it. It's been allowing my brow routine to actually last a lot longer, a whole lot longer. So I don't notice my brows fading as much when I use this technique in this product. So now I'm going to go in with my Self Love Cosmetics brow pencil, and this one is in the shade Deep Brunette, and I kind of like to let these dry just a little bit, and I'm just going to go in and create my natural, or not natural, but I'm just going to follow the natural shape of my brow. And I always tend to make mine a bit thicker. So I underline the brow first, and then I overline. And I do like to overline because, like I said, I just like to make mine a bit thicker. Making sure I'm in focus. And then I take small strokes and just kind of brush those hairs up. And I like to create hair-like strokes, because I don't like my brows to look painted on. And the reason I like the pencils is because you get a more precise application. You can actually make this look like hair. And it's really good for fine brows. If you have fuller brows, you can use a pencil, but you also have the option of using things like pomades and creams. Whereas I tend to stick to more of the powders and the pencils. If I use anything too heavy, it'll just look like, it just like an artificial brow. It won't look as natural. And in this area, I don't really worry about being so neat because I know I'm gonna go in with the concealer and really clean that brow up. And this pencil is really sticking to that product, which is good, that Benefit product. And now I'm just gonna continue to brush it up. And really just diffuse that product or disperse it within the brow. And again, these are just short, short motions. So now I'm just gonna go in with my flat brush and my concealer. And the concealer that you use is on you. I always use my LA Girl Pro Conceal. Sometimes I use one by MAC, sometimes I use one by NYX. It's really up to you what you use. I honestly just kind of use what's close to me. I always get asked about the shade of concealer. I say go 1 to 2 shades of lighter if you want a brow bone highlight. If you don't want that highlight, then just go the same as your skin tone. You can even use your foundation for this step. And that's if you don't want the highlight. I don't mind a slight highlight. I don't like to overdo my highlight, but I don't mind a slight highlight because I don't tend to put eyeshadows underneath on my brow bone at all. I just kind of let the concealer do its thing. And this is just a clean blending brush, and I'm just blending that color out. Typically, I do not have my eyes done first. Typically, I do my brows first, and then I go into my eye makeup. But because I was filming this video, I went on and did my brows first. I mean, my makeup first. And you see how it gives a nice little slight highlight there, and it blends right into the eye look. Okay, so my last step, I go in with the brow gel by Estee Lauder, and this is called the Stay in Place Brow Gel, and it's just a clear brow gel. And when I tell y'all, this technique has been holding my brows completely in place. I mean, all day. It's really been holding them in place all day. And I really think that Benefit, what's it called? The Bravo. I think it really has a lot to do with it. And it's something about this gel mixing with these products, it really gives the illusion of hair. So it gives me a more natural looking brow. Alright, so I'm just gonna zoom out so you guys can see the overall look. Okay guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. I really like the way my brows have been looking lately, and I do think that the Benefit Brow Bow has a lot to do with it, along with the very fine, slim pencil from Self Love Cosmetics. I think they just work really, really great together in being able to create those small, short, hair-like strokes. And I just really like my brows this way a lot better than before. To me, they look just more natural. They don't look as painted on. I love the color. This is the deep brunette, and especially with my hair being a little bit darker with just some highlights, I do like to kind of base the color of my brows off of my hair. So I'm really liking the color of the pencil as well. But I'm gonna use this product like every day and just see if I notice a difference in my brows actually filling in and getting thicker. But until then, I'm really enjoying the look that it's giving. So if you guys have used the Brow Wow, let me know. If you've heard of it, let me know. I'm just curious and seeing, you know, what you guys think about the product, and if you've ever heard of it or if you've used it. So that's pretty much it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video, and make sure to give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.